In this video, I'm going to teach you on how to create an Epic Games account for Fortnite. Using computer, go to Epic Games login page and from there, look for the Create Account button on the lower part of it. Next, you need to enter your date of birth. It is better to set it 2006 or lower to make sure that your account doesn't have any restriction with age matters. Once you're done, click on the Continue button. Next, fill up the information needed like the country, your email address, your name, display name, and set a password for it. Next, click on the box to confirm that you've read and agreed to the terms of service of Epic Games. Now, finalize your details and click on the Continue button to proceed. You need to verify your email. You'll receive a verification code on your email address and you need to simply enter the code and then click on Verify Email. Now wait for a while to finish creating your Epic Games account. Once done, you'll arrive on the Home tab of Epic Games. And by then, you can now download the Fortnite and play it to your liking. That's it!